Okay, let's draw the mountain climate and mountain scenery here. So this is going to be the ground level, and another one maybe on this side. Okay, so putting the red color on the ground. Also adding some red color on this side too. All right, and this is the outline for the far distance. These are the tree lines. Okay, putting it some abstract way. So something pointy on the top and little bit spread out at the bottom. As you know, this is a DIY bamboo slice canvas, so this is little difference from the traditional regular canvases. So the textures of the trees and other appearance will be vary. Okay, so you can see the tree lines here. Adding up the tree lines on the top. And for the water label, just putting a very soft strokes all over the area to show the water body here. Putting some black strokes here to define the tree lines. Tree lines in the ground level. Okay. Also putting some tree lines here, showing the spread out portions at the bottom of the landscape. So you can see it's pointy on the top and spread out at the bottom. Some are more darker and some are a little bit faded. Okay. And a clear outline we're going to show with the black portion in this border. Okay. So this is the defined land area. Okay, after these little brush strokes, you can see the total presentation appearance and the landscape of a Canadian or in a Western country's landscape very nicely presented here. Okay. All right, so I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching Solid Landscape. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.